Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm outside today, thought I'd change up the environment for you guys, get a little excitement for the channel. But a lot of you in the past couple of weeks have been coming to me telling me that you've been having slow days, slow weeks, slow months, whatever it may be. You're just not getting like people coming to you, you're not finding enough phones. So today I'm going to be making a video about 3 tips to help you guys get more consistent sales. So with that said, let's get into it. So the biggest point about getting consistent sales is putting in consistent work. That is the best thing I can tell you guys. And with that said, putting in work in this industry doesn't mean putting in 8, 10, 12 hours a day. It means putting in maybe like an hour or two every single day to make these things happen. And obviously we want people to come with us. So one thing I always recommend is going to put out ads. But with that said, you need to put out consistent ads every single day when I wake up. This is like excluding days like holidays, like if I don't want to buy or like I'm going on vacation. Every day when I wake up around like 8, I should probably get up a little bit earlier than that, but around about 8, 9 a.m. I'll put up 2, 3 ads on Craigslist, and then I'll put up an ad on like OfferUp, and some of the days I'll put up another one on Facebook Marketplace. Because you want to like use all the platforms available to you, and if you've been blocked on one of them, you really just have to get over it. Sometimes you just can't work around it, and so you really just have to use other platforms. There's millions of phones out there every single day that are trying to be sold, and we're trying to get in front of them. So obviously the first tip is just to put out ads every single day. This might take you 30-40 minutes. It might be a tedious process, but like for me, when I put up Craigslist ads, I have the exact same description. Like I have like in my notes template on my computer, because you do post them on my computer. I'll just copy and paste every single day, and different days I'll change up a little bit in terms of like the description of them. Different days I'll put up different pictures, and if you want all those pictures, because I use about like 15 to 20 different pictures because I like to cycle through them, give it a new fresh look to ads on Craigslist and OfferUp. I have them available for you guys. First link down below. It also includes like a bill of sale and a 30-minute consulting call with me to answer any questions you guys may have. But again, put up ads every single day. I guarantee that'll help you get more consistent sales. The second tip that I have for you guys to get more consistent sales is to have enough capital on you. A lot of you I've seen just say, oh, I want to buy this iPhone 8 Plus for $400, but I only have 450 bucks on me, or only have 300 on me, and then therefore you can't go out and buy more phones. So I always recommend having about $1,000 plus on you at all times, and I typically have anywhere between $1,000 and $2,000 in cash on me, because some days I'll buy more phones, some days I'll buy just 1 or 2, but those days that I buy a lot of phones, I'll still have enough cash to go and buy like the next day a couple other phones. But the next day I'll go out and take like an extra $400 or $500 out of my bank. And if you're a beginner, obviously that's not really plausible, so you just have to work on it. Like if you're in the beginning, have like $100 on you, go buy an iPhone 6, sell it for like whatever, making $100 profit, $80 profit, and then buy a higher phone. And once you start gaining that capital, then you'll start to have some room, and then when you restart selling on eBay, that money goes directly to your account, so you have to take that out. And so if you are reselling on eBay, just remember to go out and take out an extra $400 or $500 every single day, or the days that you'll need that cash. But overall, I've just seen that's been a big problem for a lot of you. You just simply don't have enough capital on you. You can't be scared to just take money out of your account. Yeah, you might be like getting not interest on that, but that's a couple cents, whatever. So take out money out of your account, have it in cash. It's a pretty cool feeling having that much cash on you, but again, you want to protect it and everything like that. Just have as much cash on you as possible. I guarantee it'll help you get some more consistent sales. So the third and final tip that I have for you guys to get more consistent sales, and this is more of a long-term approach, but it's to build your personal brand. For me, like I'm gonna be filing an LLC up here pretty soon, so I'm obviously gonna have like a name to my brand. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet necessarily, and I'll walk you guys through that in terms of releasing videos on how to file all LLCs and what you need to do in terms of phone flipping LLCs. But you really just want to build your personal brand. You want to, again, build your review base on these apps. You want to get repeat customers, and that's where you're really going to be able to get like consistent sales every single day. If there's not every single day will I be able to like buy a phone, just some days are slow. Like you guys have to understand that I have slow days too. But what makes up for that is people are coming to me from repeat customers, or they're friends of people that I've bought or sold a phone from, family members, whatever it may be. you want to have like, you want to be the contact that people go to. So you want to take over kind of like the market in your town. And for some of you, that might be a big town, so there might be a bunch of other people there. But overall, you just want to over time build your brand. You want people to have like you as their direct number for anything regarding phones in terms of buying and selling them. You just overall want to have like your name out there. So building your personal brand will definitely help you in terms of those days that you're slow, because a lot of the times I'll have days where like just I can't find a good price, but people will come to me that are repeat customers, and I know I'm gonna be able to buy from them because they know already what I'm gonna be buying that phone from there, if they're selling them for, or if they're looking to buy too. For me, some days I won't necessarily buy, but I'll sell a lot of phones. That's a win for me. Again, those are the phones that I resell locally, maybe not on eBay, but you just have to take that into consideration when like actually like doing this over time. Building your personal brand is something, it doesn't happen overnight, but for me, I've been doing this 7-8 months now, so over time I've been able to get repeat customers, get people, friends and family of them, to come to me. I don't have like business cards, but something I'll get into in the future. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are pretty cool tips. I know a lot of you will find value in this because there are slow days. So don't get me wrong, there are slow days, but there's ways to combat that, and that's why I released this video. So if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not in the family, hit that little subscription button down below. I'd really appreciate the support. And that phone flipping starter pack is the link down below as well. And if you're not in that phone flipping Facebook group, it is also a link down below. A bunch of links for you guys, but I know they will all help you in a sense. So with that said, have a great Saturday, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.